You know those dreams in your head you spend time fantasizing about? But no action plan to back them up? You're not alone. In fact, I have once been a dreamer with no action. A lot of people start out having huge dreams, even as kids, but along the line they never achieve their goals. It's no news that some are only dreamers and not achievers. But today we are tackling the of all dreams. Before we begin, I'd urge you to let go of regrets. You clicked on this video because you realize there are changes that needs to be made, so be in a positive spirit and open your mind. You just need to amend your ways and take action. Welcome to FluidLuxe, a motivation ground for entrepreneurs and future billionaires. Here are 8 tips to effectively tackle procrastination. Number 1, write down your short-term goals. A short-term goal is something you want to do in the near future. The near future can mean today, this week, this month, or even this year. A short-term goal is something you want to accomplish soon. 2, write down your long-term goals. A long-term goal is something you want to accomplish in the future. Long-term goals require time and planning. They are not something you can do this week or even this year. Long-term goals are usually at least several years away. Sometimes it takes many steps to complete a long-term goal or several short-term goals. 3, pick out 1 to 4 or more realistic short-term goals. Start working towards your short-term goals. You'll need to write out the tools or process you need to achieve them. In terms of finances or financing, set attainable goals or work within a realistic budget according to your means. 4, start with what you have and where you are. Most of the times you are stuck planning or overthinking. You get discouraged and give up even before you begin. Things do not have to be perfect at first. There's no perfect time to take action. The time is now. Take small steps towards these goals. Starting later will always put your dreams a step backwards. It's better to try and fail, rather than thinking what if you tried and succeeded. 5, track your progress. Keep a daily journal to track your progress. Always refer back to your journal daily, whether or not you think you are making progress. It keeps your goals fresh in your head. 6, forgive your failures. The truth is, oftentimes we are rather too harsh on ourselves. You are going to fail a couple of times, but what you do next matters. You either learn from your mistakes or get stuck in the failure phase. Don't focus on your failures, learn and move on from them. Record small wins while anticipating big wins. Write down what you could have done better and implement those changes. It's best to see it as a win or learn process, as opposed to a win or lose process. 7, be consistent. Consistency is a great characteristic to build and implement in your life. Even though it is impossible to be at your best every day, you should try your best every day. That is the consistency you should strive for. Lastly, believe in yourself. Great people aren't usually made in a day. Be hopeful and trust your process. Improve on areas needed and focus consistently on your journey. The best is yet to come. Wishing you a successful life ahead. Share with us in the comment section your struggles or ways you have overcome procrastination.